On the forecastle of the newly inducted ship in our Navy, INS Ikshak. It's a survey vessel large. As is known, it is the third vessel of its class. We had signed the contract for 4 survey vessel large in 2018 with the GRSE, Kolkata, and 2 have already been delivered.
INS Ikshak is the third ship of the survey vessel large class SVL and the first to be based at the Southern Naval Command. The vessel is designed to undertake full-scale coastal and deep-water hydrographic surveys of ports, harbours and navigational channels.
On the forecastle of the newly inducted ship in our Navy, INS Ikshak. It's a survey vessel large. As is known, it is the third vessel of its class. We had signed the contract for 4 survey vessel large in 2018 with the GRSE, Kolkata, and 2 have already been delivered. And today we are proud to induct the third ship in our Navy. It's a huge capability enhancement in terms of hydrography. Hydrography, as you know, enables us to ensure that the waters in and around our coast and also in our areas of interest are mapped properly, both to certain depth, but many times even up to seabed, and that allows the seafarers to navigate the global commons with safety, with confidence. INS Ikshak is highly capable. It is beyond hydrographic ship. It has got state-of-the-art equipment. One of the equipment actually can map the seabed from 8,000 to 11,000 meters, which is, that means it can map the Marianas Trench, which is the deepest part of the ocean anywhere in the planet. We are very, very happy to induct the ship, and I wish the commanding officer and the crew all the very best. And I'm sure in the years and decades ahead, the ship will live up to its motto of Nirbhay, Veer and Marg Darshit.
INS Ikshak stands out due to its advanced capabilities and modern design, reflecting the Navy's evolving needs in maritime operations. The ship creates a displacement of approximately 3,400 tons. It has a length of 110 meters. Ikshak can reach speeds of over 18 knots enabled by diesel engines and a dual-shaft propulsion. The INS is also equipped with bow and stern thrusters for precise control during surveys. Ikshak is a versatile ship which is primarily a survey vessel but can also turn into a humanitarian assistance and disaster relief platform or hospital ship when needed. The ship also carries autonomous underwater vehicles, remotely operated vehicles, side-scan sonar and oceanographic systems for accurate seabed mapping. This is the first SVL ship to include accommodation for women, promoting inclusivity in naval service. Designed and built under the Make in India initiative, INS Ikshak significantly enhances the Navy's capacity for hydrographic surveys, disaster relief, and strategic maritime operations.